Hi guys, greetings of the day. Myself Raghavendra. Today we are going with a pentagonal lamina problem. A pentagonal lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its sides such that the surface makes an angle of 60° with HP. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45° to VP. Draw its projections. It is a pentagonal lamina of 25 mm side resting on HP, so it is parallel to HP with one of its side. So that side has to come towards left side. Surface of the lamina makes an angle of 60° with respect to HP, that is theta is equals to 60°, and resting edge is making an angle of 45° with respect to VP, that is phi is equals to 45°, and as it is a resting edge, it is a non-locus problem. First we will draw XY line with thin line. So name it as XY, VP, HP. Now we have to draw the pentagon resting on edge. As it is resting on edge, edge has to come towards left side. If it is in the system, it is very easy. I'll show you. So in the system means 25 mm 0 degree, 25 mm 72 degrees, 25 mm 72 into 2, 25 72 into 3, and complete this one. We can draw like this, and afterwards we can rotate this one however we want. If we want resting on edge, we can rotate like this. If we want resting on corner, we can rotate like this. So if this is the case in this problem, so it will be like this. We can rotate and keep in the system, but in manual, how to draw? We can't draw like this and we can't rotate like this. Then how to draw in the manual drawing? So I'll show that one. So first draw 25 mm line. So this has to be 25 mm 90 degree. Just for your reference, I am giving a lot of dimensions and angles. Next, from this point, draw 25 mm line, and angle with respect to this line should be 72 degrees. First I will draw roughly, afterwards I will show how to get the angle. This line length should be 25 and the angle should be 72 degrees. This angle should be 72 degrees. So while drawing only from this corner, you have to draw a line of 25 mm length making an angle of 72 degrees like this. Similarly, this side also same thing. So from this corner, 25 mm is the line length and the angle will be 72 once again. So this line length should be 25. Angle with respect to this line like this, it has to be 72 degrees. It has to be 72 degrees. Similarly, from this corner, once again 25 mm, angle will be 72 with respect to this line. So this has to be 72 degrees and line length has to be 25 mm. This has to be 25 mm. Now join these two remaining part. So you can see it is a 25 mm. So like this we have to draw manually. Afterwards I will delete everything because it is not required. Just to show how to draw manually, I have given these many dimensions. Now this is a 25 mm dimension pentagonal lamina resting on edge. Edge it is towards left side. Now give the naming. This is A, B, C, D, E. From all the points project in upward direction with thin line. So both are on the same line. From this point to XY line, C and D are on the same line from C till XY line. Similarly from D till XY line. Join with thick line. From this point to this point. The naming B and C are visible, whereas A and E are invisible. So it will be B dash in the bracket A dash. This one C dash in the bracket E dash, and this one is D dash. Show the arrow mark in upward direction. This completes the first position. For the second position, the surface of the lamina makes an angle of 60 degree with respect to HP. So this line has to make an angle of 60 degree with respect to HP. So consider this line. It has to make an angle of 60 degree. So the angle should be 60 degree. So the line length is B dash D dash. So this point will be the D dash, whereas this one is B dash in the bracket A dash. So still we have to get C dash in the bracket A dash. So this C dash in the bracket A dash, it is not exactly at the midpoint. So it is somewhere nearer to this point. So we will measure this dimension first. 23.78. So B dash as the center, cut an arc of 23.78 to get C dash in the bracket E dash. 23.78. This is C dash in the bracket E dash. So draw vertical lines in downward direction from B dash in downward direction. Similarly from this point C dash in downward direction, and similarly from D dash also. So draw horizontally. E is here, E dash is here till this point. Draw horizontal line. A is here, A dash is on this line till this point. Draw horizontal line. D is here, D dash is here till this point, this line. Draw horizontal line. B is here, B dash is on this line till this point. Draw horizontal line. And last one is C is here, C dash is on this line till this line. Draw horizontal line. Trim the extra portions. So this is A, B, C, D, E. Join all the points with thick line. A to B, to C, to D, to E, once again to E. Show the arrow marks. Right side. And downward. This completes the second portion. This angle will be 60 degree. Now to draw the third position, the resting edge is AB. AB has to make an angle of 45 degree with respect to VP. So phi is equals to 45 degree. So first draw a 45 degree line. This angle should be 45 degree. Now this AB should be on this line. This AB should be on this line. The length of AB is same as this one because both are parallel to each other. That is 25 mm. So draw 25 mm line anywhere on this line. The length of this line should be 25. Now this is A, this is B. We have to get still CDE. To get CDE, we have to use arc method only. So first we will mark D. Once we get D, we can get C and D. Then how to get D? So D, it came from a line perpendicular to AB and from the midpoint of AB. That is, this line is perpendicular to AB and this line passing from the midpoint of this AB. So from the midpoint of AB, draw a line perpendicular to AB. So that symbol shows the perpendicularity. The length of this line should be this much, 19.24. This length should be 19.24. So this point is D. We got D. So 19.24 same as this one, 19.24, and this line from midpoint of this AB and perpendicular to this one. The next, AE and BC length are same, 14.18, 14.18. AE and BC length are same. I'll show only at one side. And similarly, CD and DE lengths are same, 21.52, 21.52. I'll show only one side. So A as center, 14.18 as radius, draw an arc. Similarly from B also same, because AE and BC are same. So A as center, 14.18 mm as radius, draw an arc. Similarly B as center, 14.18 mm as radius, draw another arc. And D as center, 21.52 mm as radius, both the side draw another arc, two arcs. So D as center, 21.52 mm as a radius, draw another two arcs on both the side. Here also 21.52. So this will gives us C and E. Join with thick lines. A to this endpoint, similarly this one. Afterwards, I am erasing this arc. So AB means this is C. This one is E. So I'll delete these dimensions also, not required. Now project in upward direction. So from A dash is on XY line till XY line. This should be thin line. From B dash is also on XY line till XY line. So from C dash and D dash, we'll draw horizontal line first. Similarly from D dash also. Now C dash is on this line till this line, vertical line. E dash is also on this line till this line, vertical line. And D is here, D dash is here till this line, vertical line. Any extra lines, erase. So this will be D dash. So this is E dash, C dash, B dash, and this one is A dash. Join all the 5 points with thick line. A dash to B dash to C dash to D dash to E dash, once again to A dash. Show the arrow marks. Right side upward. This completes the problem. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.